All right, big developing news this morning. Another shocking twist in the Vanderbilt rape trial. Thought we were done with that? No, we're not. The guilty verdicts have been thrown out after the judge declared a mistrial yesterday. So in just a few hours, the two former Vanderbilt football players convicted on every count they were facing of rape could be walking out of jail, free temporarily. Cuthbert Langley has been following this case from the very beginning. He is outside of the courtroom this morning. So we are back to square one, basically.
Yeah, basically, Steve, what we know is that Brandon Vandenberg, Corey Beatty, and their attorneys will be meeting with the judge this morning at 9 o'clock to have a bond reinstatement meeting or hearing. Basically, that means they could be walking free. They could be getting out of jail, at least for now. We don't know the timeline. If their bond is reinstated, we don't know when they will necessarily be released from jail. But they could be free at least until a new trial begins, all because of one juror. Late yesterday afternoon, Judge Monty Watkins declared a mistrial in the case. The mistrial centers on one juror in particular, the foreman, Todd Easter, who failed to mention he was a victim of statutory rape. The thing is, Easter says he doesn't consider himself a victim. Defense attorneys for Brandon Vandenberg and Corey Beatty argued there was a bias present, a bias that gave their two clients an unfair trial. In his order that now basically sends this case back to square one, the judge agreed, saying, quote, the defendants have a right to a fair and impartial trial, a right that was violated by Juror 9's, Todd Easter's, misconduct by failing to disclose being the named victim in a 23-count statutory rape indictment. The presumption of juror bias was met. Again, that hearing is at 9 o'clock this morning. We will have full coverage both on News Channel 5 Plus, and we'll be live streaming that hearing on our website, newschannel5.com. So what's next? Is a plea deal in the works? We'll work to explain that coming up at 6:30. For now, though, we're live here in downtown Nashville this morning. I'm Cuthbert Langley, News Channel 5 HD.